fun to experiment with cheaper synthetic wigs because they're cheaper and you can do a little experimenting and you don't have to worry about it.
But what if they have bangs, and what are you going to do about that?
In this video, I'm going to show you what you can do to a cheap synthetic wig with bangs so that you can wear it and feel great. Let's get started.
How do I feel about being a member of the Information Society? That's a difficult question because I didn't know we were in the Information Society.